This is the elevator at the shops at Siesta Row in Sarasota, Florida. It's an Otis. We're gonna go to. Wonder what that is. Sounds like the nudge mode buzzer. It's got a white LED. Interesting. So that's suite 325. And according to this, I guess there is a third floor of this building, but the elevator doesn't serve it. We're gonna go down to one. That's out of date. We're gonna go for one more ride. Yeah, I actually don't know what that is. We're gonna end it back down one. So, this is a HydroFit. I don't think this definitely isn't a new building. Like, I want to say this used to be residential units, and then the building was renovated, remodeled, and this turned into office spaces. But I'm not entirely sure.